Is Bigfoot real and in New Jersey? Specifically, northern New Jersey, one of the most densely populated states in the country. How could Bigfoot even be in New Jersey? So many people, so many strip malls, so many snookies. It would be bound to be seen at some point. Somebody's bound to just run one over with a car, or at least that's what you would think. Well, fortunately, with the technology that we have now, such as Google Maps and Google Earth and Google Planet and Google Stars and Google Your Mom, we could pretty much plot out all the sightings on a map and see what comes up. So, is Bigfoot possible in New Jersey? Could it exist? Could it get from point A to point B without being snooked? Let's find out. Okay, here we have good old New Jersey. I'm gonna zoom in here and turn on all the Bigfoot sightings that give approximate locations. There aren't any on here that are really vague. These are all ones that either have landmarks or actual addresses, really, that you can find. And we're going to turn on the railways here in a second so you can see how many of these sightings are, you can connect them to each other by the railways. Now, railways, a lot of them now are trails, but many of them go through towns, so you kind of take the railways with a grain of salt, although many Bigfoot sightings occur near rivers and waterways, which parallel a lot of railroad tracks. So it's a good way to get around. And here's the Appalachian Trail. There were some stragglers over there to the northwest that didn't connect to anything, but they connect to the Appalachian Trail quite easily. And there's the Highlands Trail in green, which is a inconsistent trail, but it does travel some good distances without being in sight of anything. But then it also goes across highways and things like that, or follows roads. So there's also a few that are right off of the Highlands Trail. And now we're going to turn on the Powerlines. And these seem to be the super highways. Basically, Powerlines are it. Almost every sighting in New Jersey, in a populated state like this, occur near power lines. Many of them in unpopulated areas occur near railroad tracks, a lot in Ohio. But in New Jersey, they seem to occur mostly near power line trails, and you can pretty much connect every single sighting here. So there you have it. That's one of the reasons the power lines are a major theory right now. So there you go.